reason for this video was I had a request to provide measurements on the gravity rise, the T4B gravity rise Bosch stand, folding stand for the compound sliding miter saw. You've probably seen my video for this. I absolutely love this stand, love the saw, and I'll make a video on the saw one day. But they wanted to know, how much space does it take up when it's folded? So I thought I would just do a real quick video. We'll just fly through this real quick, give a few dimensions, and hopefully that'll help everybody out. Now this is the way I normally store mine. I actually just prop it right up against my mezzanine. I may lay it down one day and tuck it under. I don't know. I haven't needed to do that yet. It just sits over there nice and handy. But the way it sits here, the overall height is really right at 4 feet. Definitely under 49 inches. I think it's under 48 feet. For width, the widest part on this is the track of the wheels, under 28 inches. And once again, the wheels are going to be the widest part that way. I would say we are at maybe 41 inches or so. And that's with it sitting at 90 in the upright position. Obviously you can put this on a bevel and tuck it down a little bit. I'm not sure if that would gain you a whole lot, I guess, unless you're really trying to tuck it closer. But I could probably do that for you. But let's lay it down real quick while it's still in the 90-degree stage. And we'll get dimensions. So obviously dimensions aren't going to change, but it makes it look a little different, and we'll just verify everything. So height-wise there, I am under 37 inches. Yep, under 48 inches. And earlier I said the wheels were the widest, but now I can see that's actually not quite true. The widest part is from the back of the saw to the front knob. That's actually short of 33 inches. Now, we'll go ahead and bevel this and see how much room we can gain. Yeah, so with this folded, laid down, and with it at full bevel, I'm not sure if we even really gained. Well, I guess we did. We're probably right at 35 inches. And then earlier, once again, I was incorrect. The wheels are not the widest. It is the saw. And the saw is about 32 3/4, so shy of 33 inches from the back of the saw to the front knob. That's the smallest I could see you can get the saw and stand together without taking the saw off. Now, just if that's all you need to know from the video, go ahead and just quit right now, move on with your life. But for those of you that have not seen how easy this thing is to lift up and unfold, it's pie, it truly is. So normally you would start from this position, and all you have to do is twist the handle and push down. And it's really well balanced, and that's it. If you lock this, that locks that arm and will prevent you from being able to fold it and do anything with it like that. So if you want to fold it back up, you do have to remember to release that. Once again, release the lock, and this time you just lift up. It's pivoting on those rubber feet, so it really is not bad. And then I always lift up on it and lock the wheels in. You can see it is super easy to operate. Oops. And for being such a nice big, heavy duty setup, it's really easy to maneuver, especially with those big tires on there. But that's it. I hope that gives you the dimensions you needed. If you need anything else, please leave a comment and I will grab you any dimensions that you need. But please like the video, subscribe, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. Thanks a bunch, guys.